Hey, what's up guys, this is Shihab and today I'm going to unbox the Zoom H4n Pro 2016. So this is it, the portable handy audio recorder. Pristine stereo or 4-channel recordings up to 24-bit and 96 kHz. Supports SD and SDHC cards up to 32 GB. Let's unbox this. And the audio you are listening now is recorded on the built-in microphone of Canon 7D. So inside this box we have another box and some user manual. So this is the Zoom H4n Pro inside this nice case. We have two rechargeable batteries, alkaline batteries, and that's it, nothing else. Alright, I've been suffering from the audio problem in my channel for a very long time, but finally I managed to purchase a dedicated audio recorder for recording high quality, high resolution audio. I have a windshield foam, so let's boot this thing up. It looks really good and feels very good in hand actually. It has a rubberized finish to it. It feels really substantial, very good in hand. You have rotating adjustable microphone 90 degrees to 128 degrees. Insert the batteries. It's a SanDisk Ultra 30 MB per second class 10 memory card, and I think it will be compatible. So now let's boot this thing up. Alright, you just have to hold this power button down for a few seconds. Yes, it's booting up as you can see. Still loading, first time memory card, so it will take some time. As you can see now it's on. Okay, now it's in 16-bit 44 kHz rate. So if I press this button once, it will show the level or the recording volume, and as you can see it's very low right now, so let's crank it up a little bit. Now I'm in 82 and now it's recording nearly minus 12 dB, so this is good. It was flashing, so if I press it again, now it starts recording and the blinking is stopped. The audio you're listening right now is coming from the Zoom H4n Pro, and I think the sound is good. It has 4-track recording and it has 2 XLR or TRS input with locking mechanism. It's a white lit display, not like orange lit display which was in the original H4n. It has a remote plug, one plug for line out and headphones, so you can monitor your audio in real time by putting a headphone on. Then you have your volume adjustment, a USB port so that you can use this device as an audio interface or for transferring the file, and the power button over here. You have an 3.5mm jack here. You can plug 3.5mm jack of your microphone. You have your up and down, and also this button has a push mechanism, so you can use this thing to select things like menus, and underneath the rotating wheel you have the menu and your recording level. Underneath that you have your SD card slot, and that's its basic design. You have a speaker over here so that you can monitor or listen what you have just recorded. You have your tripod mount or standard quarter-third mount. So that was my unboxing and quick review of, not review, you can say overview of this Zoom H4n Pro. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up button down below. Thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned, stay awesome. I'll see you guys in the next one.